Hey guys, welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and it's finally here, the brand new Tecsun S-2200x PLL world band receiver by Tecsun, and we're going to do a little unboxing here. So it arrived quite fast. Shipping was saying Monday, even Tuesday, and finally I got a text message today saying, oh, coming today. So a nice big box with a handle. And let's see what's in here. And we open this. First thing that greets us is a nice big manual. And of course the Tecsun documentation and map that probably is the same like we have in the high-end radios. So let's check out this. Got this here, and a nice big manual here. So it's all in English, so this is a pretty big manual of instructions. You've got the famous quick chart, that big chart that you can look at to see how this radio operates. It's really big. So you have all of the radio's features here on a nice chart, and on the other side of the chart is their famous amateur radio world map that they have, that I already have from their previous radios that I own. So this is neat. Will be nice to have that, put it on the wall somewhere. And now to the candy. There we go. I have a power supply included. You know, white. It resembles one of those Apple power supplies. And we've got the radio. Not very heavy. Anything else in the box? Comes with two 18650 batteries, but don't panic. Some of you are going to say, oh no, not those batteries. It also works with D batteries, D size batteries, guys. And here we've got a cable, which we'll examine, put it here for a little later. Anything else in the box? Yeah, we've got some antenna connectors. These are BNC connectors here, so this is interesting. Maybe to make your own cables or something, I don't know. And anything else in this box? Doesn't seem like it. Let's take it out, and let's look at the radio, which definitely looks like the Tecsun S-2000 when you look at it. Nice, of course, looking radio. Of you know, the original I don't like, but I have to say that this is very sexy radio. We'll compare them. Actually, I'll take out the original and this one and see if it's exactly the same in terms of the buttons and the way that everything's placed. Of course, the connectors here on the right. So for antenna, internal, external antenna. We even have these for wire antennas and ground. So battery, select battery. So here is for selection of the battery compartment. Here, and we've got the D batteries that go here. So two types of batteries if you want to have batteries in it. I think it's a good idea that they've included the fact that you can use D batteries. Here you've got the line out, and of course same style of antenna that was on the original. The antenna here, that is the medium wave loop that you can move around. You even plug in a AN200 loop through it. On the left side there's a charging port, and this is brand new. Tecsun S-2200x. Remove this. There we go. And very good looking, very sexy. The next thing to do will be to test it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.